Hi! In front of me is SONY Xperia C5 Ultra, and today I would like to show you how you can use voice recorder on this Sony. Firstly, go into Play Store, click on the search bar and type recorder. Then download one of those apps, I will go with that one, and open it. Now click on this red button, choose Allow. And as you can see, my recording is now on. You can pause it and unpause it by clicking on this big button over here. If you wish to end your recording and save it, click on the white button here. Then give it a name. And now when I go back and choose recordings at the bottom right corner, I can see that mine was successfully made and saved. If you wish to delete it though, you can always do that by holding it, clicking on delete and confirming your choice by tapping on delete again. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!